How to make Sagittarius man fall in love with Pisces woman. A Sagittarius man is bold, curious, and always seeking adventure. Meanwhile, a Pisces woman is dreamy, emotional, and deeply intuitive. While their personalities may seem worlds apart, their differences can create a beautiful and balanced love story. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're a Pisces woman wondering how to make a Sagittarius man fall in love, here are 10 key tips to win his heart. 1. Give him space, he values freedom above all. Avoid clinginess, let him explore, and he'll appreciate your trust. 2. Stay positive and uplifting, Sagittarius men are drawn to good energy. Keep conversations light and optimistic whenever possible. 3. Share your dreams, talk about your visions and creative ideas. He'll admire your imaginative spirit and emotional depth. 4. Join him in adventures, say yes to travel, new hobbies, and spontaneous plans. He loves a partner who embraces life. 5. Be honest and real, he respects truth and dislikes games. Speak your mind gently, but clearly. 6. Keep a bit of mystery, don't reveal everything at once. Let him discover your depth over time, it keeps him intrigued. 7. Respect his independence, don't pressure him for commitment too soon. Let the relationship grow naturally. 8. Show confidence, be secure in yourself and your values. He's attracted to those who know who they are. 9. Laugh with him, humor is his love language. Enjoy his jokes, and don't be afraid to be playful. 10. Stay supportive, not controlling, offer emotional support, but avoid trying to steer his choices. He thrives with a gentle, understanding partner. By honoring his free-spirited nature and showing your gentle strength, you'll draw him in without force. This is the essence of how to make a Sagittarius man fall in love with a Pisces woman, through balance, trust, and heartfelt connection. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.